me, a bit too aggressive, a bit too doom-laden, a bit too subversive. So let's lighten the mood here a little. Madness on the BBC. Was that it?
Yep, basically.
How come songs that are so short?
I mean, well, them sort of songs don't represent the band as it is today. I mean, like, that was like short and to the point for a purpose.
What were the lyrics in that?
You Suffer But Why. I mean, it's about 3 or 4 years old, that song.
I mean, like, it's about 3 or 4 years old. What sort of songs are you doing now? Longer songs?
Yeah, and we basically put...
More death metal songs.
Yeah. You've got some brilliant lyrics. I mean, like, real poetry. Your pride. Why should your pride be so restricted to a mere fraction of this earth from which we all have evolved? I mean, like real, like, deep lyrics. But you can't hear them. Why?
Well, I mean, when I'm actually singing, the words are running around in my head. But I mean, the music's so loud and aggressive. It's sort of, don't know. You just get into it, and just the way you react to it. I mean.
It's an aggressive style of music.
The words might not be decipherable, but they are running around.
That's the point of the lyric sheet. Because obviously, we have to have a lyric sheet, or else there's no point having lyrics. We don't pretend that anyone can understand them. When we're actually playing.
But why do you try and fit so many words into such a...
Well, it's the same with every instrument. I mean, there's like so many riffs fitted in, so many beats fitted into it. I mean, you can't have the vocals one step behind or something, can you?
Yeah.
Well, look, they're rooting, they're tooting, they're electrocuting. I mean, this is music for young lovers. Step aside, Kylie Minogue, turn up the TV, plug in your pacemaker, don't get out of breath. Ladies and gentlemen, Napalm Death. It's time